Hi, and welcome to another edition of Ask the Organizer, where we are focused on the closet this month. And today's question is, Maureen, I know I've got to organize my closet, but I don't know how. Where do I start? Well, I've heard this question a lot, and I really do have a very simple answer. If you listened to last week's video and you resonated with having too many clothes and not being able to see and having no system, you might have realized that you need to do a purge, and you also were wondering, where do you start? So basically the short answer is you just pick a spot. You're just going to go from one end to the other. You're just going to look at each item and you're going to decide whether or not you want it. That is your only focus. You don't have to worry about anything else. You don't got to think about where's it going to go, where am I going to put it. That's not the mission right now. The mission is to decide whether or not you're going to keep it. I'm going to include some reflective questions with this video. So it's either going to be in a link below or in the email that you got this in. And that's the key to getting through this. So they're going to be questions that you ask yourself as you look through your clothes. It's going to be really helpful. So print it out and bring it into your closet with you. So I hope that was helpful to you. I know it seems like a no-brainer, but it is that easy. You just pick a side and you go. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. And if you have a question for me that you'd like me to answer in a future episode of Ask the Organizer, send it to hello@katiehomeorganizer.com. And until next time, have a great day. Bye.